Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Super quick tutorial for downloading Town of Us mods for Among Us. You're going to hear the link for this will be in the description down below. You just click this. It's got to be the Steam itch file. Make sure it's that one. Wait for that to download. Nice. Cool. Open this. Double click this. Close out of this. Then you go into your property. Manage, browse local files. You go into common right here. Copy, paste. You can rename it, but it really does not matter. Drag all this in here. Cool. Then you just open Among Us. It's that simple, that easy, that quick. I won't cut this out because it'll show how long it usually takes. It takes like a minute or two to open up, maybe a little less. And yeah, you'll be able to play Town of Us with your friends. And have a blast doing it. This process usually takes a little bit. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Nice, great. Anyways, it should show a mod icon on the top right. Town of Us. Play. And you enter whatever the custom code is, and you're all set to go. Hope this helps and enjoy.